Is Intel back? That's the burning question we're diving in today. Get ready because we're exploring the ASUS Zenbook S14. This isn't just another laptop, it's a game changer that's turning heads everywhere. With the latest Intel AI-driven Core Ultra 7 processor, stunning visuals, and a sleek design, this laptop is made for those who demand both performance and style. But before we dive deep, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews that keep you in the loop. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we uncover today. First thing, let's talk about design. The ASUS Zenbook S14 features a remarkable chassis made from aluminum. This innovative material combines the hardness of ceramic with the lightweight nature of aluminum. At only 1.2 kilos and 1.1 centimeters thick, it's impressively portable, making it the ideal companion for the on-the-go professionals or students. It's actually the smallest footprint among 14-inch laptops on the market. In my opinion, this sleek design just doesn't look good. It feels good to hold and use. The colors Zumnia Gray and Scandinavian White add a touch of elegance, making it a laptop you won't be embarrassed to pull out in a coffee shop. You'll definitely catch some envious glances. Now let's lift the hood and dive into the performance. The Zenbook S14 is powered by Intel's next-gen AI-driven Core Ultra 7 processor. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. The performance boost from the AI capabilities is noticeable. It's built on a compact system on-chip design, which means you get power without sacrificing energy efficiency. With up to 32 gigs of DDR5 and a terabyte of NVMe storage, you can multitask like a pro. And honestly, if you're a creative professional or even a gamer, this laptop won't necessarily let you down. It tackles everything from demanding software to casually browsing with ease. Now, don't expect to game on this with 4K resolution, but if you adjust the parameters and the settings for your games, you'll be able to play somewhat light games on this. Now, let's dive into the most exciting aspect of the Zenbook S14, its AI-enhanced features, powered by Intel's Lunar Lake Ultra processor. This chip comes equipped with AI accelerators that take your everyday tasks to the next level. For example, during video calls, the AI automatically filters out background noise and even blurs or adjusts your background in real time. That's especially useful in noisy environments, ensuring your voice comes through crystal clear. And for multitaskers, AI helps prioritize the system resources, ensuring you the most important apps run smoothly even when you're pushing the system to its limit. When it comes to performance, the Zenbook S14 doesn't disappoint. We ran it through a series of benchmarks to see how it holds up. On PC Mark 10, which measures overall productivity performance, the Zenbook scored above 6,653 points. I personally find that it handles everything from photo editing to light gaming relatively smoothly. On Geekbench 6, it hit 10,636 in multi-core, and those are really great numbers for an Ultrabook. The 3D Mark Time score of 4,043 really shows its gaming capabilities, while the Cinebench R23 score of 476 in multi-core performance proves it's more than capable of creative tasks. In my opinion, these benchmarks indicate that Intel is indeed making somewhat of a comeback with this processor. Next, let's talk about the display. The 14-inch 3K ASUS Lumia OLED display delivers a stunning clarity with a resolution of 28800 by 1800 and 120 Hz refresh rate as well. The colors are vibrant and blacks are deep, perfect for anyone who loves streaming shows or even working on graphic design projects. I was genuinely impressed by how immersive the display feels, whether you're editing photos or just binge watching your favorite series, every detail pops. And with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and Dolby Vision support, it's like having a mini cinema right in front of your fingertips. Plus, it emits 70% less blue light than traditional LCDs, which is a blessing for late night work sessions. No more bloodshot eyes. Let's not skip over the typing experience. The keyboard features a 1.1mm travel and 19mm of pitch, making it super comfortable for long typing sessions. As someone who spends hours writing and editing, I can tell you that this keyboard is a joy to type on. There's a satisfying feedback that makes it feel responsive, which is essential for maintaining focus. And the touchpad, it's equally impressive. With smart gestures for quick access to brightness and volume controls, navigating through the tasks feels smooth and great. Honestly, if you're coming for a less responsive laptop, this will be a breath of fresh air. Let's talk about audio quality. The Zenbook S14 is equipped with 4 Harman Kardon certified speakers, which means you'll get an immersive sound experience. I found the audio quality impressive whether you're watching movies or listening to music. It really enhances the overall experience, especially in crowded spaces where you need that extra clarity. Now on to cooling. ASUS has designed an advanced cooling system with dual fans and a 0.7mm ultra slim vapor chamber. This keeps your laptop running efficiently and quietly. And during light workloads, it operates under 25 decibels, which is fantastic for quiet environments. I appreciate how quiet this laptop is, and it's great for meetings or study sessions. Now, as for connectivity, you're fully covered. With 2 Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, a full-sized HDMI 2.1, and a USB 3.2 Gen Type A port, this laptop is ready for whatever you throw at it. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 7, which you'll enjoy ultra-fast downloads and also smooth streaming. Now, battery life is crucial, and the Zenbook S14 shines here as well. The 72 watt-hour battery ensures that you can go all day without hunting for an outlet, whether you're in a meeting, a cafe, or even on the move. And honestly, it really is all day. I get our average around 14 hours, give or take. With all these features packed into a sleek design, the Zenbook S14 is priced at around $1,400 USD. While that puts it in the premium category, it is a fair price given the OLED display, Intel's Lunar Lake's processor, and also AI-powered features. If you're a professional or creative who values portability without sacrificing power, this laptop is worth the investment. So what's the verdict? The ASUS Zenbook S14 is a premium ultrabook that strikes the perfect balance between portability, power, and display quality. Its Lunar Lake AI enhanced processor makes it a bit future-proof, especially as more apps start to take advantage of AI capabilities. The OLED display is stunning, the battery life is solid, and the performance holds up across a variety of tasks. While it's not meant for hardcore gaming, it's an excellent choice for creative professionals or anyone needing a reliable, lightweight laptop for work and entertainment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the ASUS Zenbook S14 and whether you're considering it for your next laptop. This is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.